Hey gut feeler friend, in this video I'd love to share with you my favorite coffee alternative. Looks similar, tastes similar, has a slightly bitter aromatic taste, but it's actually good for you. It's good for your digestive system. And before I tell you what it is, I'd love to share a little story with you. I'm living up here in the mountains of Bulgaria, and one of my favorite flowers, and it has been since childhood, is this one. See these beautiful flowers with the light blue color? They go straight into my eyes. It feels so good. And then recently I was like, I know what the name of this plant is, but does it actually have any healing benefits? I found out that you can use these here, the flowers of this plant, in a salad. But the funny thing about this is, because I've been looking for a coffee alternative for like 10 years, I know it's not good for my body. I know it's very acidic, it dehydrates my body, it's basically giving stress to the body. I'm basically drinking stress if I drink coffee, because the caffeine activates the adrenal system, the fight and flight mode, which then tells the body I'm in crisis, alarm mode, alarm mode, alarm mode, which is super exhausting, causes long-term damage. The adrenaline and the stress hormones are highly acidic and irritating for the nervous system, and it's just creating more addiction. So I wanted to get out of this for a long time, and I have stopped coffee for longer periods, but then it was always like, I would love to. So here is the coffee alternative. The root of this plant, guess what? That's the best coffee alternative ever. So my gut feelings already drew me to this plant naturally. And then by looking it up, I found in my local supermarket, and I have a link for you if you can't find it in your local supermarket, chicory root, roasted chicory root. No caffeine, but instead extremely good for your digestion. So if you have heartburn, upset stomach, if you're dealing with liver issues, maybe you have jaundice, digestive orders, constipation, roasted chicory root is the way to go. And the cool thing is, this actually smells and tastes similar to coffee. It has this aromatic flavor, but it has none of the harmful effects of caffeine and several health-promoting benefits, loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, which is great for your nervous system and your immune system. Again, it's good for the liver, purifies the blood as well. So if you're dealing with high blood pressure, you have a lot of toxicity in the body, chicory can help to draw this toxicity out. Also, what I like is that it helps with water retention, with excess water retention. It flushes literally out all the swelling if you have bloating. And the inulin in here is a prebiotic fiber which supports the microbiome, right? Supports the balance in your gut, so feeding the good bacteria, while also inulin also helps to control blood sugar issues. So they found in a scientific study that the hemoglobin in the A1C test, where you basically measure how much sugar is attached to the hemoglobin, which is the main protein of the red blood cell, and they find out that consuming chicory root also helps with decreasing these markers for diabetes and pre-diabetes. Yay! And last but not least, on the chicory benefit front, if I haven't convinced you totally and I want to get my natural coffee alternative. If you have problems digesting fat, this stuff is amazing too, because it supports your liver and increases the likelihood that you can absorb fats better. Now, if you can't find this in your local supermarket, don't worry. I'm going to put you a link down below for a product that I checked and that I can recommend to you. You only want roasted chicory root in here, nothing else. It's literally only this. Now, to follow this up, I'm going to link you a video that I recommend you to watch next, and the gut healing cheat sheet with six simple tips that you can implement into your daily life that are super simple, practical, and that help you to improve your digestive system quickly and naturally.